Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to review this 2090 Kia Stinger GT in short card. This is the way it looks from the front of the car. It is from factory price 3 from 10 Kia Stinger GT. Okay, and this is the back of the card, and as usual there's a plastic around here. 198 from 250. Okay, let us put in there first, and let's us unboxing it. Okay, unboxing it just like that. Oops. Okay, let us put out this Kia Stinger GT. As you can see, this is the car itself, and this is the card. Quite similar, right? Okay. Now let us see from the right side of the car. Quite detailed. The color of the car is also grayish, I think, with some gray rims. Nice. The front of the car is detailing are very good. You can see a lot of going on there. There's the headlights. Nice, very good looking headlight. Some great hood and Kia logo there. Yes, KIA, Kia logo there. Very good. And the left side of the car is the same as the right side of the car. There's a gas there's, and the rear section of the car you can see nicely detailed. There's a Stinger there, and the license plate in Stinger. There's a GT logo there in the trunk, and nice bumper. Yep. And also nice the rear light also very good. Yes, no spoiler, but I think there's no spoiler. This is the car. When you see it from the top, there's an antenna there. And from the base, quite something on the base. There's a two muffler there, I think. Yes, the Kia Stinger GT right in there. Okay, and let us see how much the weight of this Kia Stinger in this scale. It is around 39.1 grams, quite heavy for this Kia Stinger. So let us put this Kia Stinger in turntable. It can turn 360, so you can see the Kia Stinger itself. Okay, I hope you enjoy our review this time. We will see you soon to review another diecast. I'll see you soon, and goodbye. Have a nice day.